I think it really comes down to, work ethic and imagination. If you can dream up an application and then, verify that with the collaboration of the team that ALR is offering and confirm that kind of thing, it really is limitless in that aspect. So I think that's setting you up because you got that support team behind the scenes that can help confirm some of your ideas, test some of those ideas. To me, it's less downtime of having to do that research on your own. Go at it and try to implement it on your own. And there might be another franchisee out there already doing what you're thinking about doing in your own network. So having that reach to be able to work with a team that's nationwide and that's continuing to grow, I think is a huge advantage to trying to go into something like this by yourself. Having Greg, and the rest of the team to reach out to, I think that's a huge advantage to anybody looking at going into this franchise.